Get set. Goodwill. I know. Oh, you cheated. You cheated. I said goodwill. Go back, Bass. Go back up the steps and go back. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Jump. Go down the steps. This race is going to be for the championship of slide racing. Whoever wins gets the gold medal of Slide International. Keep going. He's waiting. He's not going yet. Now, when you go, you got to put your hands in the air like this. Okay? When I say not yet, not yet. When I say go,
put your leg down, Sebastian.
And put your hands in the air like this, okay? On your mark, get set. You better get ready. Put your hands on the slide so you can push yourself. God. On your mark, get set, go.
See? See?
You didn't cheat. It's okay. You do it again. One more time.
Sire. Slide correctly, sire. Don't do that, because you cheated.
Don't push yourself, sire.
You cheated.
Slide down the slide. Okay? Use your butt. Use your butt just to slide down. We are waiting for you.
Take your time, Sebastian. No one is leaving you. Stop sitting down on your leg like that.
Sit all the way down. Put both feet down. All right?
Just slide, sire, because if you do that again, you've lost.
Ready? Set. Go! Go, man, go.
Yeah, Evan.
Both win. Good job.
Your slide curves, Sebastian, so you get...
Your foot get under there, too.
Yeah, that's how you can get dislocated.
My arm hurts.
You probably got a burn on your arm from that plastic.
Right there? That's all right. We'll put some water on it. You want to go run some water on it real fast?
Yeah.
Go run some water on it at the corner right there, and then come back. Let me show you how. Once it comes down, I'll show you. All right, Bash, go down.
Can I show you?
I'll show you how to do it. Okay?
Get up, Sebastian.
I want to climb more.
Okay, go walk up the steps.
You do. Right? Look at my arm. Wrap the legs around. Like this. Slide. Like that. Okay? Now, the point I'm saying is you have to hold on. Your feet have to hold on like this. And you let your hands go a little bit at a time. But you hold on still. Okay? With your body on it.
Not your face.
Not your face. Just your body. Stomach, legs. Now look at my feet, right? Look this. See my feet? I'm letting go with my hands slide. But my feet are still around the edges. Okay? Start with your feet.
If you let go, you will fall. So hold on. Good job, Bash.
Then that's fine. You don't have to do it.
It's your turn.
Do it next time. You want to hold on my back while I do it?
Yeah.
Come on. And then you can understand how it is.
You've got to be able to get here faster.
That's exactly where you fell last time.
You fell down this, right?
Fell down this right here when you were 2.
Come on, sire. You fell right in the middle. You missed all the bars.
Huh? Did I hurt myself? Did I cry?
Nope, not at all.
You didn't
You were
say
more
it.
excited.
What you say?
Sebastian, go down the slide. This one.
What'd you say?
Go down the slide for with mommy.
We'll go down that slide.
Hurry up.
What did you say?
You didn't cry or anything. You fell. You got up, and you were looking at everybody like, "What's wrong with y'all? Like, what is happening?" And you didn't realize what happened. You was too small. You got that one knee technique all the way down. All right. Now. That's the opposite of close to mine.
Hey,
Yes.
don't you see a city right there?
This building is not the city. Black and Jason's territory. This is daytime.
You said Black and Jason, what?
I said back in Jason's territory.
Oh, back in. More rocks. It's the last set before we get to the other side.
At least we could find more rocks after we run out. All run out. We're gonna use all rocks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna last the most time to do grow the rocks because I have 9.
Really? Well, we gotta get back to the water first.
How?
We gotta walk around.
Hope that this doesn't take long.
Well, let's. It's all right. You know you can put some rocks in your pocket. You gotta hold them.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna do that.
You're just gonna do
It's
that?
hard to do it because I have a small pocket.
Well, just put 2 in there. That's fine.
One.
Peaceful.
Bass. Yeah. Hey.
You got rocks, Bash?
They got what? I got rocks.
You do?
Yeah, Mom. Okay.
I'm okay. I was just trying to hold this thing. I got these rocks in my hand. Oh! Drop one.
Stay in front, Bash. Got it?
Thank you, Thobies.
Here, Mommy.
Thank you, my Thobies.
You dropped one.
I got it. I got it now. You help me.
We're on the search for the lake. We must find the missing lake of, I don't know, what's the title? They caught me off guard with that one. I don't know the name.
Greenbelt?
The missing lake of...
No, it's Buddy Attic Lake Park.
That just even sounds spookier. Buddy Attic Lake.
Ew.
It is
Why are you saying
known
ew?
that anybody that's come to Buddy Attic Lake has never been seen again.
Oh my God. It's
a name.
Buddy, B-U-D-D-Y.
Not
Buddy, like
Butt.
you're my buddy?
Oh.
Not B-U-T-T.
That's a little different. I don't think anybody's named Butty. This is silly. Let's roll. Want to see if I can skip it? Nah, it's too much. There's too much smog over here. I don't think I can skip it. All right,
Jeez,
sorry.
that was aggressive.
My rock! My rock! My
I have some more rocks. We throw some more when we get to the front.
This thing.
This
One
one.
more throwing right now.
I don't know. I'm just getting some rocks so when I get to the other one.
Put this back in your place.
I actually got one out. Ooh.
All right, that's enough. You get some more. Mommy got like 10 rocks in her hand. That's enough.
Yeah, 10 rocks. I have 3 rocks.
You gotta count better.
Oh, it's hot.
And go here.
Oh, it's muggy. Let's keep walking.
Fast.
Miles to go before I sleep. You guys still behind me? Slowly. Woo. Heading towards the sun now. It's getting hotter.
Hey, you can go over here.
No, we're gonna wait till we get to the front.
To what?
Sit to the front.
Did you drop some?
No, I got them in my hand.
And what was that noise?
I don't know. Maybe I stepped on a rock.
Now I can throw some?
Sire, I will let you know we can throw some more, okay? Where's Daddy?
Mommy's waiting for us, man. We have to catch up.
What kind of shoes are those?
Come on.
What kind of shoes are those? Ramon, what kind of shoes are those?
He has them, I have them. What are you talking about?
That you have on.
I have on,
We gotta go all the way around the side.
Oh.
Whew. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Can you see me?
Where you at?
Can you see me?
Will there be?
'Cause they look dirty.
Will there be a shark?
'Cause they look dirty. No.
You said they look dirty?
Yes, I couldn't tell. They look like they were getting dirty, so I'm thinking, okay, they must not be something that you care about. Because you out here in the dirt with them on. Okay.
No, I don't want to sit down thing. Oh, it's hot. My kids are complaining about how far we walk. How long is this? What do you say? 2 miles?
I don't know how long this lake is. I can't remember.
I think it's like 3 miles at the most.
Yeah, I know it's pretty decent amount.
Sire's invented words like underknee and my underleg is
My
hurting.
underlegs hurt.
I don't know what that means.
Now my heel hurts.
Your heel hurts.
It's because you're walking a lot. But it's good. Get some fresh air. No video games. No computer. No tablet. Just
No.
outside in nature.
No bleepity bleeps.
Daddy! Help me!